What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do exactly as we do every day. Okay, it's been a while. We've been waiting for this to start happening, and finally, guys, the journey has started to gain some momentum. Okay, so excuse me for a second. I'll put that right here. So even though it is a hot Saturday, I'm here working on my car. As you guys can see, I'm here restoring my Eclipse slowly. It's a hard journey, but it's a lot of fun. You know, it's a lot of fun when you do stuff yourself. But anyways, that is not what we're talking about today. Today we're about to do exactly what we do every day, guys. Okay, we're about to check on the 24 hours market performance. We're about to look at our positions to see how we're doing, good, bad, ugly, or sideways. And I like to look at pricing details. I know some people don't like to do that every day, but like I said, it's always a good idea to do that. Okay, it's always a good idea because it gives you an idea. It kind of puts your eyes on what the market is doing, on what a particular asset is doing. In our case, which is Quant, okay, Casper and Jasmine, those are the assets that we are trading, that I chose to trade in this bull run. But anyway, before we do that, is anything you do right now, guys, anything you do right now will determine what your outcome would be 10 to 12 months from today. Not even from today, from a couple weeks ago. Remember when I started telling you guys it's time for you to start making your move? That is what I meant. Millionaires will be made. If not millionaire, thousandaires will be made. And in this my millionaire journey, guys, I've already told you guys, these positions that we have open, they are 6 to 7 figures positions. Okay, even if we don't make $1 million, at least you will make money that will put you close to $1 million. Now, well, everybody's still afraid. Everybody's still waiting for market to crash. Those of you who follow me into this, congratulations. That is all I can say. Understand? Congratulations. It takes a lot of courage. Okay, it takes a lot of endurance. Excuse me. It takes a lot of courage, endurance, and a lot of patience. A lot of patience. Because like I can tell you that myself. You see your position starts to get over there. Not everybody can watch something go from a $2,000 to $10,000 without touching it. Not anybody can do it. But you know what you want. That's why I usually tell guys, you have to know the difference between what you need and what you want. Understand? Once you know the difference of what you need and what you want, you will start dropping a lot of things along the way. You will start making sacrifices that make a lot of sense. You start making those kind of things instead of like a lot of people going on vacations, right? Summertime, I'm gonna go on vacations. That's okay. Me, I don't. I use that money and invest it into something that could kind of go 5 to 10x. Okay, I'll do that kind of stuff. A lot of people like to party. They go to clubs and do all that stuff. No, not me. I put that into work because I know what I want. I don't want to be the guy who would trade my time for a paycheck 12 months from now. At least I will attempt not to be that guy. You understand? Or even if you are that guy, at least you will do it part-time instead of full-time. That's what I mean by all that stuff. You understand? You know what you want. Moments from now, months from now, we will see. things are taking off. I will say it again. Let's look at the coins that we are trading. For example, Casper. I keep saying it over and over again. Everybody thinks Solana was the killer. Uh, Everybody keeps thinking that Solana was the Ethereum killer. And I keep saying it. Nah, Casper is the real Ethereum killer, not Solana. You will see it. You will see a lot of people make the case argument about it. Look at what just happened recently. Tron, okay, Tron just took over everything. That's why you see Tron is pumping right now. Meme coins of Trons and DeFi on Tron, everything else is pumping right now. Because why? Tron is the cheapest thing in the market right now. But we have the Casper KRC20 coming up. It's a matter of time, guys. It's a matter of time. And as you can see, what's happening to the price on Casper. Price has started to run. Like I told you guys, not even a while ago, I told you guys this will happen. And now you're looking at Casper trading at 17 cents without smart contracts, okay, without any major listings, without basically anything, and it's 17 cents. Once we get that stable coin in that ecosystem, DeFi starts to happen, okay, you will see the difference. I made a video a couple of weeks or months ago when I told you guys that Casper will take 95% of all crypto transactions once the smart contracts go live. I meant it. And I told you guys so many times that Casper, for me, Casper is better than Bitcoin. Many people did not believe me. Many people probably still in denial. And again, I will say it again, Casper still on testnet, guys. Once Casper goes mainstream with smart contracts, once Casper goes mainstream with smart contracts, stable coins, meme coins, you name it, gaming, you will see. You think you think Ethereum is at 5-10 grand is something? Wait until Casper starts to go there. And I still maintain it. This run, look at all my thumbnails, look at my videos. I always say that Casper to $10 because I think once this fire get lit, Casper is gonna go to $10 or even beyond that. You will see. A lot of people are gonna miss. Not because they don't hold, some because they are not holding Casper, others because they're going to sell it way earlier. Because people, the sentiments in the market right now is just as when Casper was at 1 cent. People did not think Casper will go past 5 cents. The sentiments in the market right now, there's a lot of people who don't think Casper will go past $2. Therefore, they're going to sell the bags, and you will see. Those are the people who are going to buy back in and pump the market even higher than it is right now. Okay, so yeah, 10 months from now, 100,000 Casper will make you a millionaire 10 months from now. You just wait. But that's not the goal. The goal is that you get your foot into that money. Because I told you, you need to make the money on your way up. And we'll also make money on the way down. And I'll let you guys know. Like, that's why I say I don't deal with meme coins right now. I will deal with meme coins. And when I start doing trades on meme coins, you guys will know. Now let's go into Quant. It just came up, I think it was last night or yesterday, something like that. The number of countries joining the BRICS right now has gone up. They have 60 new members onboarding the BRICS. Did you understand? You understand the magnitude. You see what's happening to Quant price? Because like I'm telling you guys, 12 months from now, Quant will make you rich. People still don't believe it. And I keep saying it over and over and over again. 60 countries just apply to join the BRICS. I say it again. Quant is not competing with XRP. Quant is not competing with Chainlink or whatever you're calling. Those guys are just doing normal banking. Quant is competing with the big guy, the Swift. It's not the mBridge versus XRP. No, it is mBridge versus the Swift system. That's what it is. As you can see, everything is beginning to make sense slowly. First, they advertise their overledger. And again, guys, those of you who think XRP is the real deal, XRP will not function without Quant's overledger. Put one on one together. So, yeah, countries are beginning to join BRICS. Now, whether it succeeds or it does not succeed, to you and me, it don't really matter. All we want to see, those countries joining, they are going to start purchasing Quant. Because again, if you go look into the terms and regulation of Quant in their page, they're telling you, for you to use mBridge, you need to hold Quant. For you to use the overledger, you need to hold Quant. You understand? Now, those countries are going to join. They want to use it. Soon, guys, mark my words. Soon, the normal banking system are going to start telling you they can custody, they can store your crypto for you. And when it happens, overledger. Overledger. And once overledger goes live, they need to hold Quant. See that? I'm telling you guys, millionaires will be made. If you can be a millionaire by in 10 to 12 months from now, you will have a lot of money in 10 to 12 months from now. Look at Jasmine. Let's slide into Jasmine a little bit. Look at Jasmine. I told you guys on the short term I was a little bit bearish, and right now as we speak, Jasmine is testing that 2.3 cents. I've been hammering over and over again. That's what Jasmine is doing right now, testing that 2.3 cents. So we're about to see. Again, long term, I am very, very bullish on Jasmine. Short term, I want the price action to break that 2.3 cents, which looking at the way things are going right now, it looks like we're about to break it because it's testing it like really, really hard, testing it right now. But anyways, the whole point of all this conversation I'm making right now is that the moves you make today will determine where you are going to be 10 to 12 months from now. Because by this time next year, okay, by let's say August, September, November next year, you will see. And everybody else who is afraid to make that move right now, they're the people who are always going to be left behind. Now, if you want to make that money, let's say thousands and thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars, now is the time you start to make that move. Now, we have our predictions. Like, for example, myself on Quant, I believe Quant will hit $5,000. Oh, excuse me. I believe Quant will hit that $5,000. I believe that because everything is lining up. Everything is lining up perfectly. I believe Casper will hit $10 or even more than that. Jasmine, I think Jasmine will be above $1. Okay, probably $1.10, $1.20, or even $1.50, thereabout. Now, those are the prices I'm expecting these coins to hit. But if they don't hit those price points, still puts me in a position that will make me enough money to start the next leg. Like I said, up we make money. Coming down, we're also gonna make a lot of money, guys. That's like I'm saying it, because the goal is like, first, like I said, next year I do not want to trade my time for a paycheck. And even if I'm doing it, I want to do it part-time. You understand? Millionaires will be made, guys. Even if you're not part of those millionaires, you are going to make, at least try to be part of the guys who are going to make a lot of money in 10 to 12 months from now. And for you to be part of it, that move starts right now. Don't wait, guys. Don't wait. In this my millionaire journey, we don't wait for price confirmation. We jump into our trades, item spot, own leverage, and we try to make our money. That's exactly what we do. Anyways, now that being said, let's go check in the markets to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. And again, guys, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited because like a couple of weeks ago, if I told guys, I remember telling guys that this is what is going to happen. And those of you who paid attention, congratulations. Excuse me. Those of you who paid attention, congratulations, guys. Because like, oh man, it feels good. Okay, anyways, let's go look at it right quick. Let's start with crypto bubbles. Let's go with crypto bubbles right there. My goodness, you can look at that on the past hourly. Let's start first with our king Casper, KAS, King Casper. Amazing, guys, amazing. Look at that. For the past 1 hour, Casper is up 0.4%, 2.3% up on the day, 4.6% up on the week. We are down 1.4% on the month and 380% on the year. Now we look at that. Check the next one, which is going to be Quant QNT. Quant QNT. Again, look at that. Amazing. For the past hour, we're up 0.7%. On the day, we're down 0.1%. 12.6% up on the week, guys. Wow. 1.1% up on the month. And look at that number again. 30.5% down on the year. It is dropping. Last week, that number was like what, 47, 46%? It is dropping. We're getting closer and closer. Okay, now let's look at Jasmine, JAS. Jasmine. On Jasmine, it's almost the same story like the other ones. On the past hour, we're down 0.6%, 1.1% down on the day, 12% up on the week, guys. 11.3% down on the month and 593% up on the year, guys. This thing is getting ready. Again, you don't want to wait for price confirmation. Compare these numbers and you will see. You will see this thing is about to take off. Anyways, now let's go look at the trading view right quick and try to see price in much more details. Look at trading view right here. And right there, open up. We're starting with Casper. This is on the 4 hour. Now let me go back on the 1 hour right quick, because right now I feel like telling you, yeah, I told you so. I told you so. Let me zoom out. Yesterday, okay, you guys remember yesterday, price was hovering under this resistance. And I told you guys what I'm looking at right now, because Casper is about to break above this resistance, as you can see, because the ribbon was curving. So what it did, it broke above it, retested the ribbon, and jumped. Casper did, like I told you guys, we had two birds to kill right now in one shot. We had the upper resistance, and we have another resistance to get it back into the triangle. So what Casper did, it broke above, retested it, broke above the major resistance at 16.8, just like I point out. And as you can see right now, we're going up to the ultimate. They said a resistance. Let me go to the 4 hours. You see that? Let me try to move it this way. Look at that. Casper right now is on the tear, guys. As you can see, it broke above that 16.8. Look at the moving average. The 200 moving average is curving up. The moving ribbon is turning green. So yeah, I'm expecting it somehow to take a breather, because this move right here is really strong. It's a very strong move, and it went all the way up to 17.2, 17.3, another resistance. So right now, Casper is getting rejected right there to see if it can come back down. A lot of people think it will come back down to 16.8. I don't think so. I think Casper will probably come back down to probably 17 or 16.9 thereabouts, and take off from there. Now if you take it on the daily, Look at that. On the daily, that's why I'm telling you guys, I don't think it will come down to that. Right now, let me zoom out a little bit. Right there. If you can see it, the moving ribbon on the daily is beginning to curve. See? Therefore, Casper, what I'm expecting price to do, probably come down to try the 16.8 or 16.9, then go up to try that 18.1, 18.2. After that, we have a little resistance at 18.8. 18.8, then we'll be looking to try the 19.5, which sometime at the time it was some kind of all-time high. And after that, it wouldn't be that hard to break that all-time high at 21 cents. Once we break it, Casper is going to price discovery. And guys, this KRC coming, KRC 20 coming, is going to make all this look like a little move. So yeah, just get ready for it, because Casper is getting ready for a bigger move than you think. So now let's go look at the quant right quick. QNT on Binance. There you go. Again, just like I told you guys yesterday, this is just funny. It feels good, man. It feels good. We are on the daily. Okay. Again, I told you guys this was a long term resistance. Casper broke above it. Bitcoin dumped, and you remember too, we had this waterfall recovery. We broke above it again. We tested on it, and I told you guys, Quant is about to get above that $65 resistance to go try the $72 resistance. I told you guys this was going to happen. Go back and watch my videos. It is just like a clock, like a puzzle falling together. Now let me go down to the 1 hourly right quick. There, that's 1 hour. Okay, let me zoom. Oh, excuse me. Let me restart it. It's easier, because like I want it to be a lot clearer. I want it to be a lot clearer so you can see. Because it's like when you tell people something and a lot of people think you lost your mind. It's like people were expecting they were expecting Quant to go all the way down to $40, and I think I was the only one telling guys that that is not happening. Quant is moving. It's on the move. There is something bigger. But anyways, let me go on the 1 hour right quick. There you go. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, because this is where we were. Yes, we was here yesterday. I told you guys this is gonna happen. I told you guys, look at the moving ribbon. The ribbon was curving yesterday, okay? And I told you guys we was gonna break above it. After we break above it, we will retest, because remember we had the 200 moving average up here, and I told you it was going to come down. We was going to use that. We were going to use that as a ride. Quant broke above, retested the ribbon, and retested the 200 moving average. We moved above the $65, which I told you guys is a big resistance, but we tested it. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit right now, right there. Let me zoom out. Okay, you see? Exactly as I told you guys will happen. We tested 65, got rejected, tested, and now we broke above it. Look at that. It is just like clockwork. We went all the way to test the $72 resistance. As you can see, we tested, got rejected, tested, got rejected. Let me move a little bit this way. See? Exactly like I told you guys. Tested it, tested, got rejected. Now Quant is coming down to retest the moving ribbon again. For me, what I'm expecting Quant to do is try again. Go try again and see if we can break this $72 resistance. Now my only problem with that is that the 200 moving average is still a little bit low, so I'm expecting probably the 200 moving average to climb up into the ribbon somewhere there, and then let it get used as support and jump from there. That's what I'm expecting. If you go on the 4 hourly, you see that it's already started making the same move. It's curving to go up. The ribbon is going up. So I'm expecting Quant to come back down, probably $69 thereabout. They will meet and then bounce from there and go up. But if Bitcoin does its thing and takes a power move, because on Bitcoin chart right now, Bitcoin is gearing up for something even bigger. But anyways, now let's look at this right quick. I want to show you guys this. I want to show you guys this right quick. Where is it? I want to show you guys something. Right, excuse me, right there. I want to show you guys this because I've been telling you guys you have to monitor quant on the weekly. See that? Look at this, MACD and RSI on the weekly. Do you see how that is about to cross over? Blue is about to go on top of red, which is the bullish sign, the biggest bullish sign you can ever get. See that? On the weekly. Once that crosses over, guys, quant is gone. And when I mean gone, I mean we start looking at bigger prices. Now, look, let me show you this. That's why I keep telling guys, like, you have got to forget about immediate price action, because everything you're looking at right now, okay? Everything you're looking at right now, guys, it is just the beginning of something bigger. That's what it is. Everything you're looking at right now, look, let me put my arrow right here. All this is just the beginning of the bigger move to go try this first retracement line, which is about $124, $125. Now, once we break out of this triangle, the measurement target is all the way up there past the all-time high. That's what it is. But anyways, anyways, this, guys, as always, I do not condone leverage trading, but with this move you can 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money. There are links below. Bydfi, which right now they're giving bonuses. You deposit some money, you get the bonuses, you start trading. The same with Phemex. Once you do that, you can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. In this my millionaire journey, I really don't care any of the options you choose. What I care about is that you make money, because at the end of the run, we will sit here and compare notes. You know, I wanna take my family. I wanna go to Dubai. Once I go to Dubai, I wanna make sure that you there with me. You know, something like that, and to celebrate. Understand? But anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Please follow along. You can compare with your positions to see how good, bad, or maybe you're going sideways. Who knows? Whatever that is happening, you can use my position as oh, sorry about that. You can use my position as reference points. Okay. So now let's go look first on my Bydfi. Let's go here, Bydfi right there. You guys remember, we went up, came down, went up, came down, and I told you guys it was just a matter of time. Today, overall, I'm up 12,148. A couple days ago, my position was down like what, $9,000. It has started. Now let's look at the contracts. When we look at contracts, okay, Bitcoin came down 63,000. Okay, looking at the contract, my Casper, I am up 15%, which is $407. Look at Quant, guys. Look at my Quant. I was just down on Quant a couple days ago. I was down negative what, 10, 20%. Now my Quant, I am up 24%, which is around $1,800. In the morning, it was a little bit higher, but since Bitcoin dropped a little bit, yeah, I'm expecting that to happen. Again, you guys, you can see it, guys. I'm ready for it. It's coming. You see, my take profit, I believe Quant will go to $5,000, but I have a take profit at $6,500. When that happens, this position will make me $1.6 million right there. See that? It's a matter of time, just patience. So anyways, let's go right quick and look at my Phemex. My Phemex, again, is another one. It's taking up. As you can see, my overall right now is at $17,000. You guys remember where we was a couple days ago? Yeah, it is taking place, guys. It is amazing. Anyways, look at contracts. When you look at the contracts, okay, I told you guys, Jasmine, I'm still a little bit bearish on it because Jasmine right now is fighting that big resistance. But I'm almost break even on Jasmine. Okay, 0.4% down. Look at my Casper. My Casper is up 10%, which is around $478. Again, with my Jasmine, I'm not worried about it because, guys, I'm telling you guys, look, by the time Jasmine goes back to, let's just say, 0.3 33 cents, 0.03, this position will make me 5 grand. Just imagine that. And that is about to happen, guys. It's about to happen. Give you for example, by the time we go to that ultimate resistance at 20 cents, this thing will make me $146,000. This one, like I told you, this is a long term, a seasonal trade. I don't plan on closing it until the top of the bull run or closer to the top. Let's say by the time Jasmine go to $1, this thing will make me $807,000. So again, I'm not worried about those little price actions right now. Remember, if you want to be a millionaire or if you want to make a lot of money 10 to 12 months from now, guys, now is the time that you have to make that move. Do not wait. It's not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. And hopefully, well, it's up to you whether you want to do the same or if you want to wait on the sidelines. On the meantime, I am going to be here. I'm going to keep on working on this car. That's it, guys. Thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers or even higher. Okay, share my video so that people like you and me with minded millionaire minds, they can join the family and we can exchange ideas. Please comment. I would like to know what you think. I'll try to reply to all of them as much as I can. Please comment. And guys, please be careful out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.